Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing something simple, but it is an absolute lifesaver. Literally. I just got this online. A 10mm 10-meter roll of polypropylene safety rope. Now you might be thinking, Bob, it's just a roll of rope. What's the big deal? Well, this isn't just for an unboxing. This specific rope is the kick-off for a brand new series I'm launching soon, all about essential rescue nuts. Whether you're into camping, hiking, or just want to be prepared for emergency situations, knowing how to tie the right nut can make all the difference. In this video, we're going to look at the build quality, the thickness, and the flexibility of this polypropylene rope. It's the perfect match for learning and practicing rescue nuts. I hope you find this content interesting. Besides family vlogs and unboxings, I love sharing step-by-step music tutorials. Whether you want to learn the guitar, bass guitar, ukulele, or drums, I've got you covered. Check out the end screens for guitar, bass guitar, ukulele, and drums playlist. And subscribe to the channel for more chords and lyrics, lessons, and tutorials. The muscle memory of tying knots is a lot like learning chords on the guitar or ukulele. It's all about practice and technique. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.